Hello, folks. It's me again. Got some good news. This is what is it called again? Sandblaster update. Well, last time I did a video with a sandblaster, I was trying to do rib nuts, and I was missing. I'll show you. I was missing these things, the little nut bar things. Well, anyway, I ordered some of these. Let me open them. See, there's some. I'll show you the rest. There's a whole bunch here. Well, here's the thing. I needed a, which one was it? M3. In order to order a whole set like this, because apparently you can order one, but there was a few other ones I didn't have. It was like $35, $36 for an entire set of little, what are they? Little kebabber things there to do it. Where did I put the set? I'm trying to find it. Probably should have prepared for. Where did it go? Oh, it's over here, I think. Is it over here? That's not it. Well, this sucks. Where did it go? Where did it go? It was on my bench. Well, hold on a second. Anyway, what I was saying is that when you buy one of these things, they don't come with all the little color things. So, I had to buy some more. And I was going to order a whole set, but apparently the set is like $36 for a set of little spindle, whatever things are, little nut things. Well, turns out that instead of buying a whole set of just the these things, it appears that it's cheaper to buy that and one of these. It was the same price for another Rivet nut gun, cheap one, than it was to buy a complete set. So, and then the one I needed, and if you buy them individually, they're $10 each. So individually, I would have bought a whole set for $36, or I could have bought $10 each, would be 30, almost $40 for four of them. And instead, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus the tool, plus the little fancy wrench, and a free cardboard box. So now I have a whole colorful set. Woo-wee! So anyway, and an extra Rivet nutter. So that was, the good news is I can now Rivet nut the entire, what is it called? Sandblasting box. That should be done. I'll have the rings back in, the top glass back in, possibly the doors back on. And before I do that, I'm going to take it outside, lift it up, put it on wheels so I can wheel it out of here, and get it back and running. And I have the bottom piece. I'm going to work on the bottom, whatever, siphon tube. I have the pieces for that. So that's getting done. Yay! Things are getting done. And I could use the little pew-pew thing. Ka-chunk, ka-chunk. It's actually pretty cool compared to the other one. It's a smaller handheld version. I guess you got to have like Hulk Hogan hands to be like, so not that much, but it's pretty cool looking. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell me how you like the videos. If you don't like them, well, not for everybody. Thanks for watching.